Anyone interested in anti-racist work is going to find this seminar fantastic. What I thought of the workshop was how professional it was. Not just the presentation and the material was so well thought out, but it was accurate. The ideas and concepts were so user-friendly, and there were so many aha moments in this seminar that I felt that it was so worth, I mean, the bang for the buck was totally there. The key takeaway from this workshop is how everything that we learn today is applicable in everyday life. The concepts will build better relationships within your inner circle so that we can build stronger concentric circles. More than anything else, the tips that you learn to overcome your fear, your vulnerability, your shame, being a white person, we have to learn to confront our past in order to move past it. So there were moments there that made me uncomfortable, and those are the moments where I felt I learned the most. So I'm glad I took this seminar.